I have to be checking my ears from the other day. I can't believe that in 2020, the West Indies Cricket Board, after almost a decade and a half, is considering implementing some of the recommendations of the P.J. Patterson Governance Report. That report was commissioned by the Ken Garden administration, presented to and rejected by the Julian Hunt administration, and after 3 terms of the Dave Cameron administration, now into the first term of the Ricky Skerritt administration, we're now hearing that aspects of this 2007 report on recommended changes to the governance structure of West Indies cricket will be considered for implementation. They can't believe it. 13 years in the cold, and now them are dust off the report. But assuming that the recommendations are still relevant and applicable, now 13 years on, and that current managerial best practices have not rendered the recommendations of Mr. Patterson and his group obsolete, we have to wonder if this is not just another round of politicking by Mr. Ricky Skerritt, who is actually a politician, or them serious about change for West Indies cricket. Anyway, make we see how it go. It's never too late for a shower of rain, and it now seems Mr. Patterson's work will not go in vain. But we still watch it, me. We still watch. We can't believe it.